Justice retired BP Katake, who is heading the inquiry into coal-related illegalities in the state, on Friday said the actual amount of extracted coal is 19 lakh metric ton or less as per his findings and not 32 lakh metric ton as provided by the state government to the apex court. He also informed that the report of the first drone survey of the inventoried coal is expected within a week. Meanwhile, Chairman of the Independent Committee Naba Bhattacharjee said the instructions have been issued to those who have not lifted the auctioned coal but still deposited the money to immediately forfeit their security and put the coal for re-auction.
Directed the state government to constitute a committee to look into the source of coal. And it appears that little over 3 lakh metric ton of coal has already been transported to various depots in the state, and those are available for auction now. And the DMR office will issue now the communication to the CIL to put those into auction.